Hey guys, Anthony, 4x4 Diesel. We've got a monumental stuff up. I'm going to explain the story. I'm going to show you a video really soon of a cracked piston. So in case you haven't seen it, you know what it looks like. Judge it for yourself. Tell us what you think. This is one where I'm going to be really looking in the comments to see what your opinion is. Okay, now just briefly, in Tassie, a bloke is driving his Hilux, 2011 Hilux, right? Loses power, blows some smoke, runs rough. He's on the side of the road, tow truck off to the Toyota dealer. Toyota dealer checks it out and says, look, pretty sure it's a cracked piston, without, speaking, without, sort of going on about it too much, if you know what I mean, sort of, compression test and whatever. Generally, from looking at these things, professionals, experienced people can tell what's going on. So, the vehicle has supposedly then got a warranty, an aftermarket warranty, which I think we did a video about this recently, that we, I don't think I've released that yet, so I don't know if you're looking here, there's a lot of videos there, they're not all out there yet. But anyway, keeping you busy watching these, so get out there and watch them. The point is, the vehicle went on a tow truck to another workshop, who was supposedly the workshop of this aftermarket warranty repairer. Okay, so what does he do? He then proceeds to find the engine doesn't have a cracked piston and it just needs injectors. So that's when the owner became my client and purchased some injectors. Okay, at that time I was unaware, hadn't been told of any issues with how the vehicle's running. Oh look, there's some even some videos with me in them that you haven't seen yet. VIP group or coming soon. Even in a Toyota jacket. Look at that, Toyota jacket. Anyway, I'm going to show you the video now. Let's have a look at the video of this engine. You tell me, is this a cracked piston? And yibbity yibbita, and that is all. I think it's a cracked piston. Yeah, I think so. We could do a compression test. We can do a cylinder cut test. There's a number of things you could do on the vehicle. You could tell by looking at this. There's a number of ways to confirm this. How you could have a vehicle over 2 weeks and come to the conclusion that it just needs injectors after it's turned up on a tow truck, pre-diagnosed by a Toyota dealer, who I'm not saying is always right or the best either. As I said lately, there's some good ones, some bad ones, a bit of luck there, whatever. Guys, these are all the videos you need to be watching. Okay. What's worse is the injectors, all the parts were supplied and the repairer asked for $2,500. He was paid $2,500 up front. Okay? Up front. Okay? Before the repairs were even started, for a job that, when asking the next two businesses I spoke to in Tassie what they would charge, they're talking $500 to change a set of injectors. Now, we're not going to argue about the price, whether it's $500, $800, $1,000 or $1,200, but it's certainly not $2,500 to change some injectors. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you monumental stuff up, putting injectors into an engine that's got a cracked piston. It not only, look, injectors are sensitive parts. We can't just really send them back for a full refund straight away. Not that Craig is even asking for that. We've looked after him. We're getting it all sorted. This is not about that. What this is about is, you tell me, is that a cracked piston? Bada bing. Bada boom! Yeah, boom, all right. That's the letter from the service manager of the Toyota dealer, who at this stage, we're going to keep it, a little bit under wraps. Let's get it all sorted, make sure everyone's happy. And what I need to say is, Jason, please refund all the money. You've made a catastrophic mistake in diagnosing the vehicle to need injectors when it's got a cracked piston. You have overcharged for the work. I've got that in a recording, which we're not going to include in this video, but there can be many more. All the information will come out in the end. You need to refund all the money because you should have never installed the injectors. You don't get paid for doing the wrong thing, okay? Should never have done that. You need to refund all the money, and you need to refund the shortfall for making the injectors new to old, okay? So you're up for a little bit over $3,000. You need to make contact with Craig and refund that money ASAP, or you've got no idea what's coming for you, mate. It's like a freight train coming, okay? Take my advice. I've tried to help you. Please refund the money.